Nath School of Business and Technology, where learning meets reality. Here, education is not confined to classrooms, it is experienced, applied and achieved. With a strong focus on industry relevance and future readiness, NSBT endeavors to shape confident, capable professionals. A commitment that has been recognized nationally as the best education brand by ET Edge for 2 consecutive years among 200 institutions across the country. NSBT offers a robust portfolio of undergrad and postgrad programs in management, complemented by technology-driven undergraduate programs with specializations in AI and data science and cloud technology and cybersecurity. Our students are equipped to thrive in a digital-first world. Our academic partnerships with Amazon Web Services, Oracle, Palo Alto, EC Council, and PRME, combined with our industry faculty, help us in creating industry-relevant pedagogy. A healthy student-teacher ratio, contemporary curriculum, progressive pedagogy, and deep industry integration. At NSBT, growth is life. We nurture not just academic excellence, but more so, the mindset to think independently, adapt with confidence, and lead with purpose. Our focus goes beyond employability. It is about preparing students to face life with clarity and resilience. Through structured industry visits, live projects, guided reading, connections to contemporary ideas, and Indian insights, students engage in discussions, presentations, and reflective learning experiences. The thoughtful integration of AI into classroom projects, interactions with industry experts, and a strong emphasis on academic integrity are all part of how we shape responsible, capable, and future-ready individuals. We view parents as valued partners, engaging them through consistent communication and meaningful academic interactions, complemented by a strong culture of discipline, including punctuality, attendance, and professional grooming. One of the most transformative aspects of this journey is a focus on social and rural immersions. Students step out of their familiar environments and engage with communities, learning to understand, contribute, and grow. In collaboration with Cosmo Foundation, the CSR arm of Cosmo First, our final year MMS students spent over 10 days across 6 villages in Gangapur Tehsil, gaining first-hand exposure to the impact and potential of industry-led CSR. Our engagements also extend to institutions such as Navjeevan School for the Mentally Challenged and Arambha Autism Center, where students contribute through social marketing initiatives, developing empathy, responsibility, and a deeper human connection. Volunteering becomes a way of life. From events like the Divyang Run, Lokmat Marathon, blood donation drives, and Kartavya, to meaningful experiences such as CII Regional Meet on Leadership, CMIA CEO Conclave, visits, outreach programs, and community engagement. Life at NSBT is equally vibrant within the campus. Celebrations like Teachers' Day, Women's Day, festival celebrations like Padwa, Eid, Navratri, Diwali, Christmas are occasions where students express gratitude through creativity and joy. And events like Rubaru and Navotsav, which mark beginnings and new journeys of student life. Weekly engagements like Unplugged bring energy, creativity, and expression through music and performance. And at the heart of many of these initiatives is our student council Tattva, driving ideas, organizing events, and building a culture of participation and ownership. Our flagship initiatives, the Japan Immersion Program and the World Entrepreneur Day, are designed to bridge the gap between theory and practice. NSBT's Japan Immersion Program continues to be a transformative global exposure initiative, probably for the first time from the region. For the second consecutive year, a group of students, accompanied by faculty, participated in a 2-week immersive journey into the Japanese way of life. In collaboration with Futaba Area Travel and Research Association and All Nippon Airlines as the travel partner, our engagement with industry is deep and multi-pronged and reciprocative. Visits, internships, placements, life projects, volunteering, immersion programs, guest lectures, and other academic collaborations via trainings, individual and team leadership coaching, expert talks by our Board of Governors, management development programs, summits, and our podcast Tejas. We are grateful to a wide network of industry partners. A defining example of this engagement was the Advantage Maharashtra Expo 2026, where our students worked shoulder to shoulder with the MASIA organizing team over several months. Our relationship with industry extends into academics as well. Industry professionals actively contribute as examiners, Viva Voce experts, mentors, and guest faculty. Together with our partners, we have also undertaken meaningful initiatives such as the Udyog Yatra or study missions on disability inclusion and effort towards creating employment opportunities for the differently abled. Our students consistently step forward to create, to compete, and to contribute. At India Innovates 2026, one of the world's largest youth innovation platforms, our team Cyber Crew ranked among the top 45 out of over 25,000 teams, presenting their cybersecure website solution at Bharat Mandapam in New Delhi. Another feather to their glory was the win at the Applied AI Challenge co-organized by Findability Sciences. Our musical initiative, Tal Tarang, celebrates culture and expression through original compositions across the year, from festive devotion to social themes and timeless classics. Our students continue to shine across diverse platforms, from national level recognition in music to achievements in sports such as basketball, athletics, throwball. Their dedication reflects the spirit of all-round development. Beyond competitions, students actively engage in meaningful projects and experiences, from developing live digital solutions such as the Ramayanam website to contributing to case studies, industry training, social initiatives, and national level summits. At NSBT, our teachers do not just teach, they guide, mentor, and inspire. They are sounding boards and motivators, a place where students are seen and helped. At NSBT, students learn not only to work with AI, but to think beyond it. Our faculty development program included 3 FDPs and 24 certifications. And along with our students, the faculty contributed in creating 2 case studies, 4 publications, 16 copyrights, 6 research papers, and 3 patents. Our association with Findability Sciences, a globally recognized enterprise AI solution company headquartered in Boston, marks a significant step in this direction. Together, we have already initiated impactful milestones, from executive development programs for industry professionals to hosting Marathwada's first AI summit focused on enterprise applications, an applied AI challenge on Marathwada focused on use cases across industry and agriculture. A significant step has been the triplicate collaboration between Kamal Nayan Bajaj Hospital, Findability Sciences, and NSBT. The establishment of an AI solutions lab at NSBT further strengthens this journey, creating opportunities for students to learn directly from experts. NSBT contributes to shaping narratives of progress in Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar. Our initiatives and ideas have found consistent visibility across leading newspapers and media platforms, reflecting both our academic intent and our societal engagement. An example being our Enterprise AI Knowledge Series, co-authored between Findability Sciences and NSBT. NSBT was involved as a strategic knowledge partner for Cyber Shield training for 300 police officers. This year again, NSBT will conduct a Cyber Shield training for key police officers, advancing them to the next stage, and as a strategic knowledge partner to the CMI Industry Awards. One of our key societal initiatives included the Train the Trainer program with 30 teachers of Cosmo Foundation, through which cyber awareness has reached to 6,000 village students. We are proud to share that in the current academic year, over 90% of our students from the Master of Management Studies have secured placements. But beyond placements, what truly matters is the confidence, the exposure, and the mindset they carry forward. And as we continue to strengthen these partnerships, we remain committed to building bridges between learning and life, stronger, deeper, and more meaningful with each passing year.